I'm Craig Lee.
I'm Rob McGee.
And this is Real Talk with Rob and Craig on Thursday, the 29th of October, 2020. And today we're talking about...
Well, we're going to talk about what you shouldn't do when you're looking to buy a house or refinance on your home loan.
What are some of the things that you're thinking of?
Well, the first thing that we always caution people, don't go out and create a whole bunch of new debt for yourself. This is not the right time to buy a new car. Craig, you have a comment?
You said a whole bunch. That would indicate that somebody could go out and open up a couple
A little bit of new debt?
The answer is don't
Yeah.
open up any credit when you're buying or refinancing your home. Don't do it.
Why not? Because we have gotten your approval based on your current debt to income ratios. If you open up a new credit card or buy a car or you buy furniture for the new house or whatever you're planning to do, that changes your debt to income ratio. And even a small change could mean you go from being approved to denied.
Yeah. So he's talking about your debt to income ratio, and you don't want to do anything. And now's the time to talk about this, because you're going to walk through the Tacoma Mall or any mall, and every store is going to ask you to open up an account. You're going to save 5%, you're going to save 10%, whatever it is.
Put it on a Macy's card today.
Yeah. Don't do it. If you're in the middle of buying or refinancing your home, don't do anything like that. Pay cash for what you can and wait until after you're done with your home loan.
And it's not for very long, just until you're in your house or until your refinance is done. Then go buy the furniture or open up a Macy's.
So surely people don't actually go out and buy a car when they're buying a house, do they?
Oh, well, I'm sorry to report, we see it all the time.
Yeah.
And why they choose to do it right then, maybe they're getting excited because, hey, we're going to have this new house. I should have a new car to go in the driveway. That's fine after you buy the house.
Yeah.
Don't do it before you buy the house, because it could mean you have this nice new car and you don't have your new house to put it in.
That's true.
Yeah.
I also have watched a lot of people buy a house, and within a month or two, they're out buying a new car. And, be smart about that. If you want to be in control of your finances, it's easy to get a car loan because it's also easy to repossess it. That's the sad truth.
Yeah.
So a lot of people think, well, we probably have never went out and bought a new car right after buying a house. And the answer is, no, we have. Rob has, I have,
There's a temptation there. But you know what? We want you to be successful. When you are in your new house, we want you to be able to enjoy that new house and not have a bunch of financial stress. And if you're adding a bunch of new debt, like a car and new credit cards and this furniture, and now I need the new
appliances.
And a new TV to go in my new media room and all those things, that's going to affect your monthly outgo, and it could cause you stress that you're not thinking about.
Yeah. So try and avoid that. Once you're in the house, when you're old like we are, you start planning ahead, and you don't get it until you can pay for it. Not in everything, but be smart about that.
He's older than me, but
a lot. I just turned 53. Rob's still 51 for another week.
Yeah.
And then on the 8th, the old man's 52. But guys, please.
Here's something else.
Yeah.
When you go out and apply for new credit, it shows as a new inquiry. Now, we've already pulled your credit report and we have your scores, but one of the final things that happens in underwriting is they do a check to see if you've had recent inquiries that they're not aware of. If you do, even if you didn't open an account, we have to explain that. So that's something that could delay the process. And if you did open a new account, we're going to need to get statements from you. We need to show what that payment is. And again, that could mess up your approval. So it's best to hold off for a little bit.
Yeah, you would be amazed how many times we've had somebody say, "Oh, I thought since I was approved I could go do it." You can't. Yeah. The laws have changed in 2010. Everything changed with home loans and lending. So just be smart about it. What else is going on this wonderful weekend?
Don't forget, before you watch us next week, this weekend, you need to set your clocks back an hour. Otherwise, you're going to be early to all your appointments.
And that's not always a bad thing, but getting an extra hour of sleep is good. Don't be scared. See what I did there? Little Halloween tag in there.
Yes,
Don't be scared to refinance. Rates are amazing.
Yes.
You will be, you'll save yourself tons and tons of money if you're in the threes, call us or your favorite lenders. If we're not, I hope we are, but if we're not, call and get some quotes. Rob's birthday's next week. We're
Very important.
excited for Halloween, I guess. And
It'll be a different Halloween. Our neighborhood put up a sign saying no trick-or-treaters in the
yeah,
neighborhood. Yeah.
I said just get away. No, I didn't. Anyway.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah.
Set your clocks back an hour on Saturday night.
I'm Craig Lee.
I'm Rob McGee.
And that's Real Talk with Rob and Craig.